Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing the Sacred Space Crate from July 2021. Yes, I'm late. I'm trying to catch up, but it's honestly a joy just to be able to catch up with you guys and open these beautiful boxes and enjoy the smells and the joy that I get from this. It's been a real treat. So awesome. Let's get started. This box smells just like heaven. Let me center it a bit for you. Okay. The theme is Lunesa, but obviously I missed that. Oh, this is beautiful artwork. That's the moon and the zodiac information she always includes. Oh, beautiful artwork. Love it. Happy Llamas. Thank you, dear. This is by Melissa. Melissa's just on point. It smells so good. So Harvest incense stick. Yes. Getting, so this year we had severe drought in Oregon and heat waves. So my pumpkins all died. My corn didn't make it. I posted a recent blog about my sunflowers. It's been challenging, but I have gotten a ton of garlic. I've gotten some onions. I've gotten some flowers. I've gotten some zucchini, and my herb garden's doing pretty good, so I'm pretty excited about that. So lots to be grateful for. Lunesa candle. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh my God, I can't wait to burn this. Oh, so cute. Sweet and Palo Santo. Oh, with a little sigil burned into it. I love it. I love it. Oh, we got a little oil here. First Harvest. Isn't that sweet? It's full of all sorts of delicious yum-yums. Smell it. I'm going to unseal it. It smells like the candle. It smells so good. I'm learning to make candles myself. I blew up the first one. The second one doesn't like to burn very much, but I'm working on it. And I will use some of my excess oils to scent them, and that is definitely a good one. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, the dealy bobs. The dealy bobs. Harvest tea. Cranberry, cinnamon, apples, rose hips, cloves, lemon peel, orange peel, and calendula. Pretty, pretty. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, we got a big old bracelet. Hey. Labradorite? Yep. No, larvacite. You guys see it? 12mm beads. Comfrey and Meadowsweet for muscle and tendon injuries. I had an episode of some pretty intense pain that was like unexplained intense pain, and yes, I did see a medical practitioner, because you guys know this is not the witch channel that's going to tell you like that garlic is going to cure your sepsis. No, we don't do that here. Science and witchcraft go hand in hand. So you know, while I was waiting for my test to come in, I used some of her salve, and it really did help, and it smelled so good, and it was just so nice. It was really, really good. I have a little witchy first aid kit, and it's a blessing. Just wonderful. Meadowsweet. Very cool. And then looks like we have a, oh, we got a, what is this? This is pretty. Look at you. And it feels like butter. Septarian, maybe? I'm not sure. And let's see what this is. Llamas. She's been doing plaques, and so I'm wondering if that is that. I. Oi! There we go. Woo! Happy Lammas. May your harvest be blessed with abundance in every aspect of your life. Corn, dragonflies, a pot of gold, butterfly, wheat. All of my, really beautiful. I'll take it out of this so you guys can see the finish. It's a little plaque. Sacred Space Crate always has really beautiful witchy home decor, which is, sadly hard to find, and frankly, when you do find it, it's overpriced. So it's always a joy. Let's read this insert. Lunasa, also called Lammas, falls on August 1st, halfway between summer solstice and autumn equinox. Talks about Lu, the sun god, or Loafmas. It's first harvest, first of 3 harvests, this is first harvest, autumn equinox is second harvest, and so first harvest is grain, second harvest is like your fruits and your veggies, and third harvest is the blood harvest for Samhain, when you harvest the animals. So the wall plaque, custom designed and hand painted. Palo Santo stick with a wheat offering. So it's got a little rune carved into it, but it doesn't say what, but still beautiful. Meadow sweet in a glass herb jar. Love these. I collect these. Making the perfect herb to work with around the harvest season. Mead making. Used to give the honey wine an added fresh and bright flavor. Contains salicylic acid, same as in aspirin, which is a useful pain reliever. It's also used as a strewing herb to scent earthen floors, in baths to treat fevers, drunk as tea, or simply sniffed to relieve headaches. Cool, very cool. First harvest ritual oil smells bomb. For abundance, happiness, and health, this oil smells like a harvest pie. A flower offering for health was added that includes blue cornflower, rose petals, calendula, and lavender. Tiger's eye stone was included to help ground you and connect you to Mother Earth. Cinnamon stick and gold mica flakes to bring in abundance, and orange peel for happiness. It smells like heaven, guys. I'm so excited. The candle as well, it just smells like heaven. So here's the top. It has a little saying, a little prayer. And here, of course, is the candle itself. Bringing gratitude to Mother Earth, prosperity, abundance, star anise for good luck, money, and happiness, green aventurine chips for abundance, orange peel for prosperity and uplifting mood and mindset, quartz crystal chips is a master healer, amplifies energy, scented with apple and cinnamon, very good, love it. Larvikite bracelet. Harvest is about abundance, so I wanted to include natural energies that will help bring you abundance in every aspect of your life. When it comes to wealth and abundance, Larvikite is a very beneficial and supportive stone. The energies of the stone will support you on your projects, endeavors, and businesses until completion, or until you achieve your financial goals. It will give you the wisdom and the strength to turn your plans to reality. Cool. Very protective and grounding. Awesome. Septarian, I was right. This is so pretty. I don't have any of this. Powerful grounding stone that awakens one's connection to Mother Earth and the nurturing energy she provides. Activates the root chakra. Inner awakening. Driving drastic change and new habits to replace old daily habits. Perfect for anyone going through some sort of drastic change in their life and can help one repair their emotional body. Creates a protective shield when carried daily. Wonderful. Wonderful. Harvest tea. Sounds delicious. Harvest incense sticks. Smell divine. Caramel, sea salt, juicy pear, sweet vanilla, and graham cracker. Yum yum. Comfrey and Meadowsweet salve. So they're anti-inflammatories and healings. They're really good. Like I said, I tried the salves, different salve, but I've used the salves included in her boxes before, and they are on point. The Lunessa artwork and the Moon in the Zodiac calendar, very exciting. Next month is divination, but I'm just saying, guys, I love Melissa Sacred Space Crate. Her boxes are on point. Excellent, excellent, high quality items. Smells divine, like straight up wonderful deliciousness. I want to eat these things. And just the joy. She's a really sweet lady, and her items are what's up. So I highly recommend this to you. Frankly, any of the boxes that I get right now, I could not recommend more. They are my joy, and I've gotten them for years, and I just love them. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.